Being attractive is not all about how you look. Here are 15 things that make you less attractive, and most of them don't have anything to do with how you look. Number 1. Complaining about everything. Lots of people think that if they complain about everything all the time, it will somehow make them seem more interesting or more important, but it's actually a huge turnoff. No one wants to be around you if you are always complaining about some trumped-up drama. People will actually just avoid you if you are constantly negative. Now, it's okay to complain every now and then, but complaining about everything all the time just creates a negative environment that pushes people away. Number 2, talking too much. Don't feel like you have to dominate every conversation, because nobody likes that. Conversation is a two-way street, and it's important to let the other person speak if you want them to continue talking with you. When one person talks too much, it just makes the other person want to end the conversation as soon as possible, and it makes you extremely unattractive. Number 3, not sleeping enough. Studies have shown that people who don't get enough sleep are less attractive. If you don't get enough sleep, your appearance shows it, and other people can tell. When you don't get enough sleep, it makes you have droopy eyelids, dark circles under your eyes, pale skin, and it even makes you look like you are sad. All things that make you unattractive. Adults age 18 through 60 are recommended to get 7 or more hours of sleep every night to remain healthy and attractive. Number 4, gossiping. When you gossip and talk behind other people's backs, it makes you seem like you can't be trusted, and it is a huge turnoff. Gossiping makes other people uncomfortable, and it makes them think that you will start gossiping about them too. Number 5, being stressed out. Having high levels of stress has been shown to decrease how attractive you look. When you are stressed out, your body has high levels of cortisol, and this can make you appear much less attractive to others. Number 6, having no sense of humor. One study has shown that both men and women find that a bad sense of humor is unattractive. Laughing can also lower your stress levels, which will also make you more attractive as well. Really quick, please leave a like if you are enjoying this video, because that helps me grow this channel, and subscribe if you are new so I can help you with new psychology and relationship videos every week. I want to say thank you very much for watching. I highly appreciate you. Now, the next thing that makes you less attractive is number 7, forgetting people's names. Forgetting other people's names makes you come across like you don't care enough about them to put in the effort to remember their name. It also makes other people think that you are lazy and even disrespectful, all of which ultimately makes you less attractive. Number 8, being too happy or too proud. It has been proven that happy women are more attractive to men, and confident men are more attractive to women. And the opposite is also true, because it's also been proven that women find it unattractive when a man is way too smiley or way too happy all the time, and men find it unattractive when a woman acts too proud or overconfident all the time. Number 9, interrupting other people constantly. Some people think that interrupting is a way to show dominance or show off how intelligent they are, but it actually just makes you much less attractive. Interrupting other people constantly is very annoying and disrespectful, and it is a really great way to make yourself seem much less attractive as well. Number 10. Starting unnecessary drama and conflict. Now, there are two types of people. People who can smooth over minor misunderstandings and resolve them, and people who love to start fights over the smallest of things. You might think that picking fights every time that you don't get your way will make you seem more dominant and respected. But the reality is that people who start drama and conflict over small misunderstandings are just super annoying and unattractive. Number 11. Not listening when other people talk. Now, like I said earlier, it's great to let other people talk, but you have to be able to actually listen to what they are saying. You need to be able to communicate well if you are going to be in a relationship, and you need to be able to listen when other people talk. Number 12. Always being pessimistic. Being negative about everything all the time is one of the fastest ways to push everyone away from you. Of course, it is okay to vent your negative feelings every now and then, but if you are pessimistic about everything 24/7, it just makes you much less attractive to everyone else. People tend to avoid being around negative people and negative situations, so if you are always negative, people will avoid you. Number 13. Being late to everything. Everybody is late sometimes, but if you are late all the time to everything, it's not only annoying, but it's also extremely unattractive. If you make a habit out of being late to everything, it makes other people think that you don't respect them enough to show up on time, and that you really don't care if you waste their time by making them wait for you. Number 14. Being rude to employees. Many people think that being rude to waiters or employees is a great way to show superiority or dominance, but it really just makes you seem like a jerk, and an extremely unattractive jerk too. And number 15, being dishonest. Men and women both find dishonesty extremely unattractive. When you lie about one thing, it just makes other people wonder what else you are lying about. Well, what do you think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below because I would love to hear from you. Please share this video if you have found it helpful, and then click here if you want to learn about things that make you more attractive, and I will see you there.